Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys 3 Dollar Tree DIYs.
Are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall.
My first DIY is this home sign.
We can go on again.
I will be using the last Dollar Tree Valentine sign that I have, well, half of it, and I will be painting the back with my apple barrel acrylic paint in white, and I gave this 2 coats of white paint.
My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. All you also know.
To decorate my sign, I will be using 1 fern leaf, and I got these from Dollar Tree. I'm actually using 2 bushes of this for my entire video. And to do that, I did take the back off so it can lay flat, and I am going to glue that with hot glue.
Hearts, is it all lost? We can go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
To glue the rest of the leaf so it can lay more flat, I did not use hot glue because it was going to look lumpy. I only used a hot glue in the middle. For the rest, I will be using regular Elmer's glue.
Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind.
And then I'm going to wrap jute string and yarn around both edges several times. For the next step, there's so many options you can use and put on the sign. I am going to reuse this Dollar Tree home sign. I have been using this lately and I haven't found any more, so I hope Dollar Tree doesn't stop carrying these. The last thing I did was added string to the back so I can be able to hang this. And that is it for my first DIY. My second DIY is going to match my first DIY, and this was very easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these wall decor frames that they have. I'm only using the frame for this, so I am going to remove everything from it. The picture that this frame has, it is so nice and beautiful, so I am going to save it because I want to reuse this later on. The next thing I will be doing is I'm going to paint this frame using the antique wax from the brand Waverly chalk. And because I want to save the sheet that this brings, or the picture that this brings, I decided to use some regular computer paper for the background. And I'm just going to cut it to the size of the frame, and I'm going to glue it with the Elmer's glue. I'm using 2 of the firm leaves, and like I said, I removed the back so they can lay flat, but one of the leaves I did cut it in half, and the other one I use it as it is. And again, when I glue the leaf, I only glue it in the middle with hot glue and the rest with the Elmer's glue. And that is it. I did put the mirror back, but then later on I decided that it looks so much better without it. I absolutely love how this turned out. You can use it this way standing up, or you can use it sideways like this, or you can even use it hanging on the wall. My third DIY is this planter. This was inspired by a workout video that I seen on YouTube. This was on a background, so I was like, oh my gosh, I know I can recreate that. For this DIY, I will be reusing this galvanized coffee can that I made in one of my previous videos. I am also using this yarn I got from Walmart. It was under $2. I am running out of jute string, so I decided to use this instead, but I really wanted to use the jute string instead. But to do this, all I did was tie it. I didn't glue it. I tied the yarn and then I wrapped it around the can until it was covered with the yarn. And I am not going to lie, this took me around 5 to 10 minutes to wrap the whole thing. By the way, you don't have to paint the can. You won't be able to see it. Mine is just painted because I am reusing this can. And this is how it looks, all covered in yarn. The only time I used a hot glue was at the end to glue the last one. And I wanted to show you two different ways for the handles. I first did the bead. To make the bead handles, I will be using these beads my beautiful friend Fanny sent to me. To make this easier and faster, I am putting 12 beads through the yarn. Then I will cut them in half or in the middle to have 6 beads on each handle. Then I'm going to glue them on each side with the hot glue. To make the excess on the sides, I will be using the jute string. I made excess all around the can. Next, I'm going to glue the nautical rope. I will be using these Fern greeneries I got from Dollar Tree. Like I said, I used 2 bushes, and with these bushes, I took off some leaves to use on my first DIYs. For the other version, all I did was remove the handles. All I did was just lift it up or unglue a little bit of the nautical rope and then added the nautical handles. I did that to both sides. I love how this turned out. You can use it like this, or you can use a plant stand. This plant stand, I made it a few weeks ago using paint sticks. I will leave the info down in the description box, so you can definitely go check it out. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. See you next time. Bye.
My dear friend.